Marla and Kratos playing. Oh, get him, Mila. Mila got him down now. Flower, why you keep looking at me? They finally playing. Flower still looking at me. Flower, get in there. She was getting in there earlier. I guess Mila likes to play on the ground. Oh. I know y'all too. Kratos. Y'all done? Kratos. Kratos. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Oh, Mila did not like that. Uh-oh. Mila did not like that, boy. Uh-oh, Mila telling you to leave him alone. Let's see how good you read body language. Did Mila say leave him alone? Are you gonna leave her alone? Guess not yet. Oh, see, she said leave her alone. Leave her alone. There you go. There you go. That's a good boy, Kratos. Kratos. Hey, Flower. Flower. Hey, y'all was getting along just fine. Mila don't like you playing with her toys. Well, them not your toys, Mila. Them Kratos toys. Kratos. Sis. Be nice. Be nice, y'all. Mila, he gonna be like twice your size. I don't know. And Flower is still there, waiting on me to show her some love. Come here, Flower. Come here, Flower. Oh, here come Big Boy. Uh-oh. 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 There they go. Look at Flower. Flower trying to get away. Oh, can't see her. Too dark. You can probably see she was in there. All right.